Hello guys, I'm Chef Edwin and we are here cooking with Compare, and today we're making an amazing recipe for a dessert. We're doing a coconut flan, that special flan that will get everybody talking on your Thanksgiving dinner. And we're going to start by making the caramel. Alright guys, now we're going to make the caramel. So we're going to put 2 cups of sugar. You can add a little bit of water. You want to make sure you dissolve all these big clogs of sugar and just be patient and wait till this is going to start turning into an amber color. The darker the caramel is the bitter it is. Alright guys, now we have our caramel ready and our oven being preheated at 325. Now we're going to make the custard. With the custard we're going to need 5 eggs. We're going to need coconut milk, sweet condensed milk, coconut the cream. This is very sweet, so you want to make sure you just put 1 cup of this and 1 cup of heavy cream. A little bit of vanilla, and we're going to blend this. Now this suggestion, I always like to filter the final product, and the reason I do that is because I don't want any of the foam that is on top. Alright, now it's time to try it. It's like heaven. You can put some liqueur on this and it tastes better. It tastes like tropical because of the coconut flavor. Thank you for watching another episode with Cooking with Compare. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Tell me about the recipe, and happy Thanksgiving. See you next time.